Whoops. Up, up. Get up. And turn around. Oop, you dropped your strawberries. Want to turn around? Come on. You got it. Good job. Where does it go? Where do the strawberries go? Where do they go here? Where do they go? Where do they go? We'll put them in here. Right here. Right here. Oh. How about right here? Right there? Right here. Right here. Go right here. Yay! Good job! Good job, Bobo! Here we go. Chugga, 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 chugga. Uh-oh, I'm ringing. Is your phone ringing? It's nobody we want to talk to, if I had to guess. Good job! You put it back! Good job, Precious. Ready to go to work? Who's talking? Taryn. Hey.